that it goes from here to here in the 8 weeks. Tiago's tips. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to start an avocado plant. An avocado plant. An avocado plant. First thing we're going to do is open the avocado. Make sure you have a grown-up to help you. That's really an avocado. I believe it's an avocado. The seed out. Why do you have to do that? Now we have to clean it. Oh, I can't get it. I can't get the. Where's the avocado seed? I can't even. Oh, it's right there. Okay, now we put it in the water. Bowl of water. Getting the avocado seed back. Next thing we need to do is put the toothpicks in the seed. You have to put the toothpicks in the seed like a triangle, like that. The episode on the top part. Just like this. Now it's all plants. See? Make sure to always keep the seed covered with water. Make sure you put your seed by the window to get some sunlight. After about 8 weeks, this is what you'll get. Now let's put this avocado plant in a pot. Put some soil on it, not any ants or worms or spiders. Just make the little hole in the soil and put the seed in. Remember, have a grown-up to help you.
More soil.
After your plant grows, you can put it in a bigger pot. Isn't it great that it goes from here to here in the 8 weeks? It goes to a seed. Make sure that you put your plant next to your window or outside in the backyard so that it can get enough sun, and put soil in it and water. Good luck! Send me some pictures if you do this project. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.